Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I bring the unboxing of the Nest Cam Outdoor, which is basically a security camera by Nest. It is water resistant. It says security, rain or shine, and it says that it's on your phone 24/7. This would be my third camera, Nest camera, that I am getting into the ranks. And I love Nest because I just like using one application and the whole integration with the Google Assistant. So this where it says you don't want a security camera that sleeps on the job. So this is 24/7. It records live streaming if you pay the Nest Aware subscription, and I can talk about that in a different video. It has person alerts, continuous cloud recording once again if you pay the Nest Aware subscription, and two-way audio. So there's a bunch of other stuff that it brings. It is weatherproof, so that's the reason I bought it for the outside. I have a new home, and I'll be placing it on the terrace. So this is perfect. It says 24/7 video, 130 view angle. It also says that you get alert on your phone, and you're able to install it yourself. It has a small mount. So let's get started. I took the wrapping paper and you slip this, and I think that's it. Okay, so here's the Nest camera. Okay, so first things first, as you can see, the cable is not, you cannot plug it in. It's already stuck to the camera. That's one of the first things that they did to make it waterproof or weatherproof. Because if not, then all the rain would come in that way. Okay? Very nice. It doesn't weigh a lot, but once again, you're not supposed to be holding it in your hand continuously. And at the other end of the cable, it comes with a USB Type A cable. Okay, put this to the side, and here it says, what do we have? Okay, it says Nest Welcome. So the information that it has, the lights, the video history, and so on. It gives you a little bit of information. This is the application, and then an installation guide of how you can install the camera. So I'm gonna show you how the camera is mounted in a different video. I'm not gonna do it this way. I bought this for my new house, not for this one. Okay, so here, what do we have here? Okay, so here you have the mounting bracket. So as you can see, it's magnetically attachable. So you place this into the wall, and then you're able to just place it and move it around this way. So very, very convenient. I think that's a very good design choice. And then we have, well, the screws, and the mounting bracket, and the spanders, and everything in order to place in the wall or in the stucco. And after that, I have the wall charger. So this wall charger plugs in, as you can see, here, and then you're able to move it this way. And the reason that that's done this way is because of the weatherproof. There you go. And since this is gonna be outside, this has to be weatherproof. And that's basically it. You connect this into a outlet in your home, and you'll be streaming in no time. So that's my quick unboxing of the Nest Cam Outdoor. I cannot wait to test this, to be honest with you. It looks awesome. It looks better than I thought it would. And I'll be doing a different review of how it looks when it's already installed, and how it performs, and how the video quality is. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's helped us a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.